Welcome to MySQL Joins Explained. In this video, we will explore how tables connect in real databases using clear examples and practical use cases. A join combines data from multiple tables by linking them through a common column, usually a primary key and foreign key relationship. This is essential for retrieving meaningful, connected records across relational databases, such as linking customers to their orders. Joins matter because real-world databases are normalized, splitting data across tables to eliminate duplication and maintain integrity. Joins allow you to bring this data back together for data analysis, reporting, and building dynamic application features. We will use two sample tables, customers and orders, throughout this video. Notice how the customer_ID in orders is a foreign key that references ID in the customers table. Note that Charlie has no orders, which will be useful for testing left join later. MySQL supports several join types. Choosing the right one depends on which rows you need from each table. We will cover inner, left, right, full, and cross joins, each providing a different result set. The inner join returns only matching records from both tables. Rows without a match on either side are excluded entirely. In this example, Charlie is excluded because he has no matching order in the orders table. The left join returns all records from the left table, plus matching records from the right. Non-matching rows show null in the columns from the right table. Charlie appears with null for the product, as his record is preserved from the customer's table. The right join is the mirror of the left join. It returns all records from the right table, with matches from the left. Non-matching rows show null. In this dataset, the result matches the inner join, because all orders have a customer. MySQL does not natively support a full outer join. To achieve this, you must use a workaround. Union the results of a left join and a right join. A full join returns all rows from both tables, matched or not, showing null for unmatched rows. A self-join is when a table joins with itself using table aliases. This is ideal for querying hierarchical data, such as employee-manager relationships, where we join the employees table to itself using aliases A and B. A cross-join returns every possible combination of rows, known as the Cartesian product. This simple query results in 9 rows, 3 customers multiplied by 3 orders. Always use caution, especially with large tables. Here is a quick summary of the key join differences. Remember that inner join is for confirmed relationships. Left and right joins include unmatched records from the respective tables. Full join is for complete comparisons, and cross join is for permutations. Avoid common mistakes like missing the ON condition, which leads to a Cartesian product. Also, be careful not to use the wrong join type, as using inner join instead of left join silently drops unmatched rows. Finally, always index foreign keys for performance on large tables. Joins are crucial in real-world scenarios like e-commerce for linking customers to orders, in social media for linking users to posts, and in banking to generate statements from accounts and transactions. Save this guide, like if it helped, and follow for more SQL and tech content.